Alright, guess who's back with another mother trucking haul, y'all? I know, it's a kitchen channel. I know it is. I think I'm putting it on the kitchen channel. I don't know where I'm putting it. We're going to put it on the kitchen channel. Hey guys, welcome if you're new here. My name's Rhonda, and I am going through a phase of my life where I'm not enjoying cooking too often. So I'm doing quick and easy meals for my family. And I've been making shorts, if I do make them, to show you all what we're eating. I kid you not. It's been like spaghetti, meatballs, hamburgers, tacos, like easy peasy, lemon squeezy kind of dealio. So I'm like, do y'all even want to see it? Probably not. So anyways, if you guys follow me on my other channels, Hotmess Mama MD and Hotmess Mama Vlogs. It's very weird today. It's rainy, it's yucky, it's a whole situation out and about. But anyways, if you follow me over there, I do a ton of Teemu hauls. Whether I am working with Teemu or whether I am purchasing, like today, I bought this with my own money. I have worked with Teemu in the past, but I wanted to do a little unboxing of like gadgety random things that I picked up. I don't even think anything's for a kitchen in here, but I don't know because I placed this order a while ago and I forgot about it and it showed up today. So let's talk Teemu real quick. So if you've ever heard, or if you've never heard of Teemu, Teemu is an app you can download or you can shop directly from their website. All right, I like to download the app. However, Rakuten now offers 2% cash back if you shop through Rakuten with Teemu. Now with that said, you can still use my 30% off coupon code. I'll have it down below for you all. So you're still getting to use coupons if you are a first time Teemu shopper. And trust me, you won't stop after one order. I promise you that. I did need to order some more of the backsplashes, the backsplash doohickeys that I got in my last Teemu haul. So I will, I'll be ordering more of those before I show you guys a DIY on my backsplash. So anyways, yeah, you can use your Rakuten, you can do a bunch of shopping, you can have a good time. It's pretty amazing. They have everything. They have home, they have kitchen, they have fashion. If you like fashion, I got you. I have a ton of fashion Teemu hauls over on my channel, Hotmess Mama Vlogs. If you love makeup, I got you there because I do a ton of Teemu makeup try-ons, makeup unboxings, everything. The first thing that I got is because I have a sensory disorder. And if you follow me on my vlog channel, I talk about it all the time. But one thing I can't handle is when I'm washing my face and water goes down my arms. And one of you guys, we were talking about it and was like, girl, you know you can get those wristbands over on Teemu. I was like, I was not aware of that. Look at this. They have other colors too. I just love pastel pink because I am a 2-year-old at heart. So anyways, I'm gonna wash my face and guess what? No worries whatsoever. I'm so excited over that. I don't even think they were $1. I mean, who needs the Dollar Tree? Speaking of, I always feel like I need birthday cards or just cards in general, and I don't have them and I don't want to go to the store for them, and they have 3D cards. So even though I am gonna gift this, I still want to open it and show you all. So it's just like a simple little card, digital card, but then when you open it, do you guys see this? Oh, isn't that cute? It says happy birthday on it. And it never fails, like I'll totally completely forget and I'm like, oh my gosh. And then I'll have to like run to the Dollar Tree or something. So I thought, oh, I'll just pick up 2 of them. And I think they're fun. The next item in here is, if you guys don't know, I sell a lot on Poshmark, and I like little cutesy stickers and stuff. You don't have to put them for Poshmark, you can just use them in general. And they were super inexpensive, and you get, I don't know even how many of them, but anyways, you get a bunch of them, and I thought they're cute to decorate the package, or I make little goodie bags, and I thought I could put it on the goodie bag. And speaking of which, I got little thank you stickers, which I don't know if my camera wants to focus on everything, but what I want it to. There you go. So little thank you stickers that you can put on there, or however. Wow, this got busted up. As far as shipping went, my shipping used to be super fast, all right? However, with that said, everybody and their mother is shopping at Teemu. So this I ordered March, hold on. let me double check. You guys aren't gonna see this until April, but this showed up, where it is. Here we go, Teemu order. So I placed this order on March 22nd and today is March 31st when I got it. So it was definitely longer. I'd flip the camera or the phone around and show y'all, but that's my personal like address stuff, so I'm not gonna do that. So it took a little bit longer than I'm used to get it, but again, I think that the Super Bowl blew Teemu up and everyone was like, oh my gosh, legit, let's buy. So anyways, I also picked up some Q-tips. The box is busted. The mail system, you know how they are, y'all. Y'all know. But you can see in here, no you can't. Okay, well it's 200 Q-tips. And they're so cute, I have to show you. Look at those, they're pink. Do you remember back in like the 80s, the pink toilet paper from Quilted Northern? I love that, I love that. Okay, next random thing, I don't know why I even put this in my cart because these kind of combs wig me the freak out. Like just the thought of them, I'm like heck to the no. But I felt for 70 cents or 71 cents, I should just do it. Speaking of which, if you go into the app, check your order, and you see that the price has changed on anything, they'll give you price adjustments, y'all. It's awesome. Like, you want to give me my money back? Okay, thanks. Next in here, I always think I'm going to become an organized person. If you guys checked out one of my videos, I did like a refrigerator organizing container set, which are amazing. I picked up at Teemu. I got this to try and organize my silverware drawer, so you can put like, you know, your spoons, forks and stuff. I don't freaking know who I am. Inner me wants to be really organized. Outer me is like, hi, you have ADHD. You know you're chaotic, so who knows. Oh, I got some more of these. I got a lot of more of these. Yay. They're pink and they're cute and they're so aesthetically pleasing. So yeah. Next in here, what did I get? Oh, I got this makeup powder. So if you follow me on my makeup channel, I found the most amazing pink powder for under my eyes. It does not make my makeup look cakey. It is beautiful. I told everybody about it and everybody sold it out. So I'm on the hunt for a new powder because I have no backup of that amazing powder, so I have to test the world out, and I'm looking for a nice, fine, beautiful powder. So hopefully this will do it. I don't know, but it comes with a little powder poof. Ooh, that's so soft. I don't know, I'll play around with it and I'll let you all know. This one is not pink though, it's just like a translucent, like maybe a brightening type of dealio. We shall see, but I was really excited. So if you guys watched one of my other hauls on my other channel, I think it was on my MD channel, I hauled this, which I'll show you guys. This is gonna be my second one. So when I worked with Teemu, I ordered this, but I wasn't for sure because it's like you make your picks and you don't know 100% what's gonna be sent, and they had sent it. I love this stuff. So it's like a stick kind of moisturizer. So if you're like me and you have like dry patches like on your hands or on your elbows or whatever, you can take this and like stick it wherever, and it's really nice and it's hydrating. This one is like a light peach scent. It's not an irritating scent or anything. I love this. It says you can put it on the bottoms of your feet, and I had planned originally to do that, but I also sprayed magnesium oil on my feet, so I'm like, yeah, I guess there's really no point in that. But I love this. And my other thought was, like, eventually when I stop being lazy and start doing sunless tanners, I thought, you know how you need to put it on like your knuckles? Why did I put this lid back on? But, you know, put it on your knuckles, and then that way the sunless tanner won't grip to any dry parts. But a lot of you guys saw that and was like, you need to let me know how it is. I love it. Definitely recommend it. Next in here, this is something new, and I felt like it was something that I had seen before, but I forget what brand it was. So these are nose patches, but they're not the kind like Biore where you rip off a layer of skin. This is like there's 10 patches in here, and it's like a mighty patch. You know those mighty patches you put on a pimple? Well, this you put on your nose, and it's gonna draw the gunk out of your nose. So my kids and I all suffer with like congestion in our nose area, so I thought, ooh, this will be worth a shot, worth a try. It was literally super inexpensive, so I picked that up. Then I got some nipple covers. Oh, these are like really nice. Oh my gosh, they're literally like fabric. I thought they were gonna be like silicone nipple covers. This is literally a fabric. I don't know if it's, can you guys tell? It's literally a fabric type of nipple cover. So it's a two, or you get one set per pack, $1 maybe. They were really inexpensive. So, and they had multiple colors. So I picked up some of those. Oh, these are little cards that I like to put in the Poshmark orders as well. I mean, you guys, you can't beat these prices. Thank you for supporting my small business. So you might see those if you buy from me in my Poshmark closet. You got a whole stack of them. Oh, let's open this. Oh, okay. So we use, what are they called? Mechanical toothbrushes? Refills. Literally $4 or $5, $6 or something. I don't know. I got 3 packs. 3 packs refills. I'm like, heck freaking yeah. This was a better deal than on Amazon, which is normally where I get them. So I got a couple packs of these, of the nose strips. Oh, okay, so this, I don't really know why I bought it. It was one of those things where I checked out and they're like, hey, you wanna add this for like 50 cents or whatever it was, because they have random deals. It's a scraper doodad. Hold on. I don't want to break a nail. Okay, I can't get it. I'll have to have my husband do it. But it's a scraper. You know, sometimes Temu just tells you what you need. For example, how cute is this? It's a box cutter. Is that not precious? Under $1. It's a better deal than the Dollar Tree. And then the last thing that I picked up was, okay, because I have ADHD, all right, my therapist had always told me that it's better, like, if for my brain, if I like make lists and I can check off the list. Sorry if you guys hear my washer. God forbid we shut a door. Anyway, so for me, that's what I like to do, is like, hey, here's what you're gonna film today, or here's what you need to clean today, that kind of deal. Crazy and expensive and cool enough. It has a magnet on the back if you want to use a magnet. I thought that was pretty awesome. So anyways, that is my Temu haul. It's a bunch of odds and ends and randoms, but you guys, that's what Temu is all about. Like, they have home decor, fashion, beauty, gadgets. They have camping stuff. They have things like, one of y'all said you found stuff for your horses on there. I mean, there's so many crazy things, and you can't beat the deals. As one of y'all said, it's like they cut out the middleman. So it's not being shipped to Amazon, Amazon selling it. You're getting literally straight from Temu, and I love that. So anyways, yeah, sometimes the shipping is a little bit longer because everybody and their mother has switched over to Temu, but all in good time. I think that, you know, once everything settles down, we'll start getting our stuff fast again, because when I started placing orders in December, I was literally getting stuff in like 10 days or less. But it's okay, because they give you a $5 credit if they don't meet the shipping deadline, and I got like $10 in credits right now, so I'm not upset about it. That's just more shopping for me. Anyways, if you want to sign up for Rakuten, check my link. If you want to save 30% off your first order with Temu, I'll pop the code up for you guys there, and thank you guys bunches if you use it, because it does earn me a little commission. But thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I guess that's all. Okay, I'm thrown off because my husband and them came home, and I'm like, that was not part of my plan. All right, I'm rambling. Until next time, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah. Bye. 'Cause I can do this all night.